Okay, so I'm sorry the camera cut off, and so I have this on here. Like I said, it needs to dry at least 24 hours. But I wanted to show you my prototype that I've already done. Here is my second jar. I haven't put the handle back on this one yet, but you can see how this came out. I really love the textured look on it. And here is the one that I've already created. And this is very firmly stuck in there. And all I did was take a little piece of twine that came out of the canvas itself and tied it around here, made a little sailor's knot around it. And then it goes on like this. And it just hangs up. And I think it looks really cute. You can tell, sorry I don't have a better angle for that. But to hang it on the wall, I have been trying to think about how to hang this on the wall. And I found a strip, like the little, the little stick strips on here that you can put on your wall and it won't damage your wall. Well, I found some, actually my sister-in-law has some, that held up 65 pounds weight. I am going to use that on there. She's supposed to bring them to me. I'm going to use it on this metal bracket because it doesn't sit flush with the other part of the board. But, yeah. So I'm going to put that on there and hang them up. And this is going in my living room because I'm doing another project with you guys pretty soon. So here's what both of them look like together. I love the way the finishes came out on this. I just think it looks so good. You cannot tell it's not wood grain. I mean, you would never know that I drew the lines on here with magic marker, with a permanent marker and paint on it. I just love the way they came out. And I love how these came out as well. I love the finishes on them. I think they look really, really good. So, if you like this project, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't watch part 1, go back and watch part 1 to see how I created these. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I really appreciate it. And I'll be putting mine together pretty soon here. But like I said, this needs to dry for a full 24 hours for you to put any weight on it. Oh yeah, here's one. And I did go ahead and whitewash the little pegs that go in. And that does fit into the hole nicely. The thing about this rope and then tying the ropes around to make a knot, it holds it a little bit, it holds it tighter. And it makes the lamp hold it tighter. And so I'm just going to first tie a square knot at the bottom. And then I just tie a hitch knot, which is something like a sailor's knot, but yeah. But anyway, I'm just tying it 2 loops around, and then I'll stick my little thing in between the knots like I did right here. You can see in between here. It helps hold them. So that is all I'm going to finish doing on this, and then waiting for this to dry. So thank you again for watching. I hope you like this project. Gareth, I hope you like what I did with the boards that you sent me. I really appreciate it. And I have another DIY coming up for the Christmas season for a tablecloth that Gareth sent me and challenged me with. And it's taken me a long time to think about it. All right, guys, until the next one, see you. Bye-bye.